Mom? June 2055? That is not right. These are not my clothes. Where are we, Rex? These are also not mine. Okay, good enough. What is out there? Stop, stop, stop! They listened to me. Okay, okay! This is not my street. Cars are in the sky. Cars are in the sky! Where am I? I have to see what's out there.
What? Who are you?
Who are you?
I think I know who you are.
You look like me.
Because I am you.
How is this possible?
I am trying to figure that out too. Is that Rex?
His name is Rex. He is mine.
I know. I named him.
What is my dog's name?
We don't have a dog. Mom said no.
You really are me. You are very tall.
You will be.
You have a serious face.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
That is a good question. Are you hungry?
Yes, I want cereal.
We don't have cereal. But watch this.
The wall made breakfast.
The kitchen does everything now.
Make a...
Cookie.
The future is good.
Okay, we are going outside today.
Outside? In the flying car? Yes! Yes! Let's go! Not flying. You're actually flying. You are not even driving! What if it gets lost?
It never gets lost. The car drives itself.
Whoa! What was that?
A drone. It delivers packages.
To the sky?
To anywhere.
Everything is so small down there. Do you like living up here?
I have everything I need up here.
That is not what I asked. There are trees up here.
People grow food up here now. Vegetables.
Can I eat this?
Yes,
It tastes like a real strawberry.
it is a real strawberry.
I'm the king of the future! Hi, drone! Said hi back!
It is not real.
It looks real.
It is just light.
Made of light. I can go through it.
I want to show you something.
What is this place?
This is the Robo Pet Store. We bring our pets here for their software update. Like a doctor visit, but for robots.
Can I touch it? Huh? Is that a dog?
That is Mango. He is mine.
Hi, Mango?
He likes you.
I like him. We need to keep him. Forever.
We already do.
Good. He is happy because of me?
Yes.
Are the robots people?
No. They help people.
Hello. How are you today? I am Tom. I am from the past.
That is very interesting. Come on.
Goodbye, robot friend!
Goodbye.
How high does it go?
90 floors.
Whoa. What do you do here?
I run a technology company.
Is it fun?
It is important.
That is not what I asked. Can I help you? Why do you look like that?
Like what?
Like something hurts.
Come on.
She looks tired. Everybody here looks tired.
People work hard.
Do they have fun?
They are very professional.
That is also not what I asked. The city is pretty.
Yes.
Are you happy here?
I have a lot.
That is not the same as happy.
When did you get so smart?
I am 5. Everybody is smart at 5.
I used to laugh a lot.
Then what happened?
I got busy, then busier, and then I forgot
Forgot what?
how to enjoy it.
That sounds...
Lonely.
This looks like our home.
Yes, it is. It was never changed.
Ah! Push me! Push me! Push me! Hi, there! I can almost touch the flying cars! Are we rich?
Yes,
Are we famous?
a little.
Are we happy?
I thought I was.
But
But today is the first time in a long time that I laughed like that.
you forgot how to play.
Yeah,
Growing up sounds hard.
sometimes.
Promise me you'll laugh more.
I promise.
Okay, now show me again. It looks like stars.
The city lights.
It is beautiful. I miss my mom
Me too.
and my small bedroom and my cereal and the rain on the window.
I miss that too. Sometimes.
Do you talk to Mom?
Every Sunday.
Good. I love Mango. I wish I could take him with me.
I know.
I want to sleep now.
You must be very tired. It was a busy day.
It was fun. I do not want to forget today.
You will not. And I will also still remember today.
When I grow up, don't become boring.
I will try.
Not try.
Promise. I promise.
Will everything be okay when I grow up?
Life gets hard sometimes. You make mistakes. You lose things. But you also find people you love. And someday, you remember who you really are again.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Don't forget. Don't become boring.
I won't. I won't.
Don't forget. Don't become boring.
Tom! Tom, what happened? Who were you talking to? Are you okay?
I think I had a dream.
A good dream?
Yes. A really good dream.
Breakfast is ready.
It was real.
Thanks, little Tom.